Hi there everyone, thank you so much for coming back to the channel. Today we're going to learn about how to open a WhatsApp group in the mobile phone. It's a very easy task. As we all know, 2 billion people are using WhatsApp group for accelerating their growth and communication. So let's start. First of all, you have to go to the WhatsApp and we can see the green plus sign here. We can press here. After that, just pressing a new group. After selecting the members, we have to give the next button and you have to select the group name here, like hospital, communication, and then press just create. Let's see, the group has been opened. It's a vital thing nowadays. Hope this video was useful to you. See you in the next video. Thank you.